Did you know that dark chocolate contains more antioxidants per gram than blueberries? That's right. The treat many of us consider a guilty pleasure is actually packed with powerful compounds that can help protect our bodies from the inside out. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and accelerate aging. With this incredible concentration of antioxidants, dark chocolate is quietly making its mark as one of the most unexpected superfoods in our kitchens. Today, let's delve into the world of dark chocolate and uncover why it deserves a spot in your daily routine. When we think about superfoods, ingredients like kale, chia seeds, or acai berries might spring to mind. But dark chocolate? It rarely gets the recognition it deserves. Yet, mounting research points to its impressive health benefits, making it a delicious and healthful addition to your diet. But why should you care? Simply put, incorporating dark chocolate into your life could mean better heart health, sharper brain function, and even a brighter mood. All this, wrapped in a decadent, satisfying flavor that feels like an indulgence, but is, surprisingly, a smart choice. Of course, you might be thinking, isn't chocolate bad for me? For years, chocolate has been unfairly labeled as a diet wrecker, associated mainly with sugar, empty calories, and guilt. This stigma comes largely from highly processed milk chocolate and sugary candy bars, which are often loaded with unhealthy fats and refined sugars. But dark chocolate is a very different story. It contains a much higher percentage of cacao, the source of those powerful antioxidants, and far less sugar. The darker the chocolate, the greater the health benefits. When enjoyed in moderation, dark chocolate can be a far cry from the unhealthy treat many believe it to be. Let's break down the nutritional powerhouse that is dark chocolate. First, it boasts a rich profile of minerals, including iron, magnesium, copper, and manganese. These nutrients play critical roles, from supporting your immune system to strengthening your bones and maintaining healthy blood flow. Dark chocolate is also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full longer, making it a satisfying snack that can help curb cravings for less healthy foods. Perhaps most impressive are the effects of dark chocolate on heart health. Numerous studies have shown that regular consumption of dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids, can lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Flavonoids are natural compounds found in plants that have been shown to relax blood vessels and enhance circulation. By supporting healthy cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation, dark chocolate can act as a protective shield for your cardiovascular system. But the benefits don't stop at your heart. Dark chocolate also supports brain function. The same flavonoids that help your heart are believed to increase blood flow to the brain, improving cognitive performance and possibly reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. In one study, participants who consumed high flavanol dark chocolate showed improved attention, memory, and problem-solving abilities. This makes dark chocolate an excellent snack for students, youth, professionals, or anyone looking to support their mental sharpness. And let's not forget the mood-boosting powers of dark chocolate. Have you ever noticed how a bite of chocolate can lift your spirits? That's not just in your head. Dark chocolate stimulates the production of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. It also contains serotonin precursors, which can help alleviate feelings of stress and anxiety. Even the simple act of savoring a piece of dark chocolate can trigger a sense of pleasure and satisfaction, making it a healthy way to treat yourself during stressful times. The research on dark chocolate keeps getting more exciting. Recent studies suggest that regular, moderate consumption of high-quality dark chocolate may even help regulate blood sugar, thanks to its low glycemic index and ability to improve insulin sensitivity. This means it's less likely to cause spikes in blood sugar, making it a better option for those managing diabetes or looking to reduce their sugar intake. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of the antioxidants in dark chocolate may contribute to overall health and longevity, helping to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Of course, as with any superfood, quality matters. To reap the full benefits of dark chocolate, it's important to choose varieties with at least 70% cacao and minimal added sugars or artificial ingredients. Read the labels carefully and opt for organic or fair trade options when possible. And remember, moderation is key. A small serving, such as 1 or 2 squares per day, is all it takes to unlock these health benefits without overindulging. Let's take a moment to recap the surprising benefits of dark chocolate. Packed with antioxidants, rich in essential minerals, and supportive of heart and brain health, dark chocolate stands out as a genuine superfood. Its mood-enhancing effects offer a delicious way to combat stress, while its fiber content helps you stay satisfied and on track with your health goals. The next time you reach for a snack, consider swapping out sugary treats for a square of dark chocolate, not just for the taste, but for your well-being. So, the next time someone tells you that chocolate is just an unhealthy indulgence, you can confidently share the science-backed benefits of dark chocolate. It's time to let go of the guilt and embrace this ancient treat as a modern superfood. Whether you enjoy it on its own, melted into a warm drink, or paired with fresh fruit and nuts, dark chocolate can enhance your diet and your health in ways you might never have expected. If you've enjoyed learning about the surprising superpowers of dark chocolate, and you want to discover more fascinating facts about nutrition and health, don't forget to subscribe. There's a world of delicious, healthy possibilities waiting to be explored, and you won't want to miss what comes next. Treat yourself to knowledge, and maybe a piece of dark chocolate too.